Xiaomi have just released their most advanced earbuds, and we've packed all the important facts about them within 60 seconds. Arrive in this beautiful docking case, which can get charged wirelessly, and you're gonna discover their innovative design, something that Xiaomi call a space capsule. Inside, they use a dual magnet 11mm driver, significantly bigger than most earbuds, for providing the best-in-class true-to-life sound experience. Also, 6 levels of ANC, including 3 different transparency modes. The buds can produce really crisp sound and enhance your favorite music's listening experience. Battery life is amazing. You count on up to 9 hours, and during testing I was consistently getting more than 6 hours listening time per cycle with ANC on. Buds 4 Pro feature LDAC technology developed by Sony and high-res audio. I think their only disadvantage is the price. Kind of expensive, but given all the specs and features, we can say it's about right. If there's something else you need to know, ask me anything in the comments.